then click back on the code that you wanted to unlock, and there you go. It's now revealed my Xbox code for a free copy of Palworld, and that is how you do it, guys. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, you're watching this video, guys, because you want to know how to get Palworld for free on Xbox or PC. This is going to get you the full game, and this game is new out and it's pretty much gone viral for right and wrong reasons. Nevertheless, I've managed to find a method of getting Palworld for free, and all you need is your mobile phone and around 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how to do it. So let's get into it. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone and putting it here so you can follow along. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, you need to use a mobile phone and open up an internet browser, and you need to go to this website, guys. So type it the same as I'm going to be typing it here: www.wavycoupons.com. So wavycoupons.com. Pause the video, copy this website exactly how I've typed it, because you need to go to this website here, Wavy Coupons. And as you can see on my screen, they don't only have game codes, they have tons of different stuff. But to navigate your way to the Palworld page, you can go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Palworld, and it should pop up like this: Palworld free game code. So tap on that page. Internet's super slow today. There you go. So you see here, you can choose which console you want the game for. Obviously it's only available on Xbox or PC. I'm personally going to choose Xbox because that's what I play on. So you just simply click on show code, and it's going to pop up, guys, like this: free digital copy of Palworld for Xbox consoles. And you can see it gives us the start of the code, but we need to unlock the rest of the code. Completely normal, guys. Obviously these are pretty valuable codes, and they usually obviously the game usually costs money, so this just prevents someone from stealing all of the codes. So tap unlock code. Okay, and now you're going to see this Palworld code unlocker, which is completely normal, and you may have seen something like this before. So you can see we need to basically follow the instructions on this screen, and it's going to unlock our Palworld game code once we follow them. So it says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and we basically need to follow the instructions below the 2 that we choose. So on my screen you can see I have a list of different things, and they're all completely free, and like I said, there is a description telling you how to complete the tasks, so pretty easy. So I'm going to go and complete 2 of these tasks. So this one I've just clicked is the one at the bottom, which is a survey. So basically I just have to answer some questions and enter my email address. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll pause the video, complete 2 of these tasks, and then I'll return. Alright then, guys, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. Like I said, I just went and completed 2 of the tasks on this page. So I did the survey at the bottom, where I just had to answer some questions and then input my valid email address. And then I just did this game at the top, Travel Town, where I had to basically download the game and play it until I got to level 10. So now I've completed 2 of these tasks and fully completed them. Go ahead, press your tabs button, and if you've done everything correctly, you should now see this Palworld tab down here on the bottom left. Open that up, then click back on the code that you wanted to unlock, and there you go. It's now revealed my Xbox code for a free copy of Palworld, and that is how you do it, guys. That only took around 5 to 10 minutes, and that's going to save you a bunch of money. So I'm going to use this code, and yeah, that's going to credit me the full digital copy of the game for my Xbox. So you need to go to wavycoupons.com and get your free copy of the game, guys. Pretty fun game, but yeah, I wouldn't pay for it. I'm not sure how long this game's going to be alive for. I think Pokemon are coming after Palworld, but yeah, enjoy the game whilst it lasts, I guess. So yeah, anyway, have fun guys, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.